My name is Joe Klein, and today I'm here on behalf of SoFax to tell you about all the new features they have in their new app called Blemish AI. With the application open, you can then begin to analyze the shoe for any imperfections. As you can see, the green shows all the creases that the shoes have, and you can move this camera around to indicate any other imperfections that the shoes may have. To record the data as you analyze the shoe, press the red button at the bottom of the screen, press Screen Record, and then continue to analyze the shoe. And then you can stop the recording, enter the name of the shoe, and you can also enter how much you paid for the shoe when you originally bought it. So right here at the top it shows you the amount that you put in. Now also right below that you can see the amount that it's now worth. So now you can upload this to any application or to any social media platform to sell the shoe, or you can show the buyer the price according to the new reducted price. And that's how you use Blemish AI.